Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. A car starter. This one will be pretty much 95% of the cars nowadays will use that type of starter, guys. It came out of this Porsche Cayenne right here that we've been working on. Quite a few videos will be coming on it as well, V8 4.5 engine, and that starter is on a very bad location right there between the V's, so we have to take quite a few things apart. Now in today's video we're going to show you how to test it. We'll need a 12 volt battery, okay, jumper cables, so we have the positive cable, okay, the red cable on positive clamp, negative on black, negative. So now this is, guys, let me explain quick. This is your starter. Okay, most of the cars will use that design. And now the starter itself, okay, it consists of two parts. This is the motor, this is the Bendix here. The Bendix itself, okay, what it does, this is the sprocket on the front side, that gear, it kicks it out so it can engage the flywheel. And the flywheel will turn your crankshaft. Now, if your starter doesn't work, okay, the Bendix will kick the gear out, but it's not going to spin. Now, if your Bendix doesn't work, nothing will ever happen. So, in today's video, we'll show you how to test the Bendix and how to test the whole starter. Usually on the back side you have a wire, that's a ground wire, you can see this one. Okay, let me situate it. Okay, this is the ground wire that's connected to the Bendix and the starter. Now, this is the positive 12 volt wire, the big nut usually, that comes from the battery, and the little nut is the 12 volt ignition wire. Now, we need to connect our negative cable, okay, jumper cable, on the housing of the starter. Because the starter, okay, connects, attaches to the transmission or the bell housing with two bolts, and that way it connects to the ground. Now, let me show you how you can test the Bendix quick. Okay, you can touch the little 12 volt wire that comes from the ignition, and when you touch it, it's going to kick the Bendix out. Check it out, like that. Now, if you want to test the starter itself, okay, right here, we're going to hold the 12 volt wire that comes from the battery, car battery, and we're going to touch the Bendix wire at the same time with the 12 volt, both of them. And the starter will kick out, okay, and it will start spinning. Now be careful not to touch it to the ground wire here, because it can cause some serious damage, so you have to be careful for that part. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.